The California Association of Realtors' new report says home buyers' inability to afford home insurance has led to hundreds of transactions being canceled. CBS 47's Jennifer Zucker joins us live in studio to tell us how insurance issues are impacting home sales here in the Valley. Jennifer.
Catherine, a new report showing 1 in 7 California realtors had a home sale fall out of escrow this past year. I spoke with a local realtor and financial advisor who recommend having a plan of action before writing an offer.
Unfortunately, this is kind of the difficult state of affairs, and you can chalk this up to just another one of the several problems that inflation has created over these last few years.
According to the California Association of Realtors, 13% of 200,000 realtors have lost a sale this year due to an insurance issue.
In some of the cases that they can't afford the home due to the insurance, and at that point, we don't want to waste anyone's time or get their hopes up writing an offer to cancel 2 weeks later because the insurance premiums are so high.
Joe Perez with Iron Key Real Estate says those who can't find a policy on the private market most often end up having to purchase one from the California Fair Plan.
Some of the carriers will still write their traditional homeowners policy, but for the fire coverage, they have what's called the California Fair Plan, which again is its own separate policy that's ran through the state of California that has an additional premium attached to it.
Perez says several areas in Clovis, Fresno, Madera, and Foothill properties are affected by the crisis.
Those are tight-knit communities that are in neighborhoods that insurances are not willing to write.
Perez has his clients reach out to an insurance professional before writing an offer in case the buyer cannot afford insurance.
Really communicate with who you're working with. Be proactive and working with the insurance professionals and working with your lenders to make sure that you get really concrete numbers and knowing what your numbers are going to be very early in the process.
Brian Ullman with the Ford Financial Group says the average cost of homeowners insurance in Fresno is $1,238. And Ullman says he does not expect these numbers to go down anytime soon, and buyers will need to speak with their insurance agent to help them through the process before writing an offer. Live in the studio, Jennifer Zucker, CBS 47 Eyewitness News.